Good evening, I'm Red Mendoza and you're with Dispatches. And as you can see, it's now the third day of ToyCon, the third night actually. At kaya nagpe-perform na dito sa Toy Concert si Saya, one of the Japanese artists na pinadala ng Ambox dito sa Philippines to perform dito sa ToyCon. And after which, Star Marina ang magpe-perform last, and this closes another book of another historic ToyCon of humongous proportions, I should say. I mean, with over 400 exhibitors here at the SMS Convention Center, hindi ka mauubusan ng mga dadayuhin or di ka mauubusan ng mga mabubudol kumbaga dito nung dito sa ToyCon na to. But of course buying toys and of course the wheeling and dealing of it is just one aspect of ToyCon. The next of course the much important aspect of ToyCon is the program itself, the experience, the overall feel na nakikita mo not only sa mga floor booths but also dito sa stage area. And what a packed stage area it is for day 3 of ToyCon. We had the Cool Pals having their first ever live podcast recording here at the SMS Convention Center. This will be uploaded soon on their podcast page on Spotify and YouTube. There's also different panels, toy panels dito, and of course product launches. Pero not unlike yung dito na may puno ng cosplay, but we also saw so many cosplayers din dito sa day 3. Di hamak na mas maraming cosplayers ngayong linggo na to kasi Sunday's Family Day. And also we should also note that today is also Father's Day. So ang dami rin mga magtatayang nagpunta rin dito sa ToyCon na ito. So what to expect on ToyCon 2025? Well, wag muna tayo mag-isip muna ng 2025 because according to Cholo Malilin, we will post the video of his announcement earlier dito. We will post it siguro tomorrow or later. In-announce ni Cholo Malilin na ToyCon will have excuse me, will have again its North Hobby Expo. It's coming October 3 to 5. Of course, the same weekend as Cosplay Mania. And of course, another pain in the neck for those who want to choose na umakyat or mag-Cosplay Mania. And of course, the ever traditional Christmas Toy Fair, the Christmas Toys and Hobbies Fair, na laging tradisyon na natin yan tuwing bago magpasko, na may bibiling kayo, mabubudol kayo tuwing before the Christmas weekend. It's all going to happen. As far as I know, tama narinig ko, is December 13 to 15, but I'll check the calendar first. Again, what I heard is December 13 to 15 or 15, 16, 17. Di ko alam kung ano yung exact dates, but I'll be posting the exact date on the title page of this video so that you know kung kailan talaga yung Christmas Toys and Hobbies Fair. As for ToyCon next year, well, si Sir Cholo nagsabi siya na medyo up in the air pa yung ToyCon next year because, and as he pointed out, the second Friday of 2026 will be on June 12, Independence Day. So medyo magkakaroon ng malaking conflict, and I really mean to say malaking conflict. Pag ganyan ang nangyari, normally namumove siya just a little later or a little earlier, depende sa schedule. But we'll be keeping an eye out on ToyCon 2025's schedule. Of course, obviously it will be another weekend in June 2020, another weekend in June. So yun,
ToyCon 2025, a huge success, and announcement lang, our next event is Baguio. All right, do join us at the North Hobby Expo on October 3 to 5. October 3 to 5, we will be at the Baguio Country Club for the North Hobby Expo powered by Toy-Con. And
Toy Fair.
Our Christmas Toy Fair is on December 13 to 15 at the SM Mega Trade Hall.
Do we have a date for next year's
That's right.
Toy-Con?
For Toy-Con next year, wala pa. Kasi never baka bumagsak na June 12 yung first day. So, pinag-iisipan pa namin. But we will announce that very soon. Thank you.
So, well, again, Toy-Con has always been traditionally, lagi namang they always push the envelope with all the big name guests. Okay, kanina pala yung sa Voltes 5, yung voice actor, nagpunta siya kanina. Yun na yung naabutan ko kanina kasi medyo tinangala ko ng punta rito. I already arrived here mga 2 p.m. dito sa SMS Convention Center. Now, for the overall feel of the event this year, of course, laging may difference. Laging may bago ang Toy-Con. I mean, I've been here covering 19 times already. This is my 19th Toy-Con. Next year will be my 20th Toy-Con. And suffice to say, tumatanda na talaga ako. I mean, I'm not getting any younger already. I'm not even getting any healthier, kumbaga. But every time we hear about Toy-Con, every time we hear about nangyayari sa Toy-Con, it's always lagi sila nag-evolve, lagi sila nagbabago. Now it's now in the 22nd year, and yun nga, there were so many changes, and there are so many new things na ginawa nila. Like for example, that podcast recording, it's a very first time na nangyari yung podcast recording na yon. So, ang daming pwedeng changes na mangyari sa Toy-Con in the next coming years, especially now na in just a little over 2 years, 3 years already, we'll be celebrating the 25th anniversary. So, of course, Toy-Con's 25th anniversary will happen, if my math is correct, 2028 or 2029. And by 2028, buo na yung bagong SMX dyan, yung SMX site. Dyan sa may harap lang ng SM Mall of Asia. Do we expect a Toy-Con to be held at the 25th anniversary of Toy-Con to be held at the SMX site? Nobody knows. Again, watch that space over there in Mall of Asia. Okay, so now we're closing another chapter, we're closing another session, kumbaga, of Toy-Con, a 3-day session, parang kongreso lang, but nevertheless, another session ends here at Toy-Con, and we'll come back again siguro, if others can go, may special session sa Baguio in October, pero for all of us here, babalik ulit tayo on the final session of the year sa December for the Christmas toys and toy fair. And as for SMX, well, of course, marami pa mga malaking events na mangyayari dito. Of course, chief of which is ACX, which is coming in July. And of course, we'll have Cosplay Mania in October. Ostensibly, gagawin nila ito dito sa walls, mirroring AFA, or something like that. But, yeah. So, pero events-wise, meron pa tayong mga nakalinyang mga events this coming June. I think Ozin will have an event for the first time at the SM North EDSA Activity Center. So, biyaheng norte muna sila. And also, Cosplay Mania will have its SLEX Skyway event series held at the yung cosplay camp, which will be held naman dito sa may Bonilla exit naman, sa may Cash and Carry this coming July. So, lots of events. Sorry, dry ang lalamunan. Tons of events and much more. We'll be keeping an eye on that, and of course, just watch Dispatch. Just follow, like, and share, and subscribe na rin on our social media accounts. We are on different social media accounts to get the latest regarding sa mga anime convention. So, from here at the SMS Convention Center. Of course, we'll see you on the next event, and please catch for our comprehensive newsletter about ToyCon 2025. It will hit your newsstands, or it will hit your emails the first hopefully Tuesday morning at the very latest. So yan na isasabi ko na, Tuesday at the very latest. So abangan niyo yung comprehensive kung ano. Sorry, we can't talk to so many to the organizers here. Cholo, Malaking Boses, Sir As, BC, Sir Vic, of course, hindi naman medyo alam mo na, they're all busy. So hindi tayo makakuha ng mga organizers dito, but we always talk with them naman lagi, and they always give us context and understanding of what happened dito sa ToyCon. And of course, this closes again on the chapter of ToyCon. We'll see them again next year. Itong kalaki event, and we're hoping to see what's next for ToyCon 2026 next year. Okay, so yan muna tayo. Okay, from the SMS Convention Center, this is Red Mendoza. You're with Dispatches, and that's the way it is.